What's up video, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the Oppo Ace 2. After a month of constant leak and teasers, Oppo has finally announced the Oppo Ace 2. The main pride of that new smartphone is charging system, which is going to be introduced in that particular device. It retains a 90Hz of a refresh rate and 65 watt of wide charging of its predecessor, the Reno Ace, but brings the latest Snapdragon 865 chipset, 5G connectivity and the fastest wireless charging around at a 40 watt thanks to the brand new AirVook charging. So in this video, we will be discussing about that particular device specification and tell you about each and every detail regarding that particular device in terms of spec sheet. So if you are new here on the channel, please consider subscribing to keep updated about the latest technology. So starting from the display of Oppo Ace 2, it is coming with a 6.5 inch of OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, also a punch hole cutout present on the top left corner of the device, a 90Hz of a refresh rate and a 180Hz of touch sampling rate. Also on the front, you will see an in-display fingerprint scanner, HDR10 Plus support and a Gorilla Glass 5 protection on top of that. The punch hole cutout which is coming in the device is holding a camera sensor of 16 megapixel. Jumping to the back side of the device, we will see that it is coming with a circular camera cutout present on the back side, and that circular camera cutout is holding a quad camera setup inside it, in which the main camera is going to be a 48 megapixel main shooter and accompanying with an 8 megapixel of ultra wide snapper, which has the ability to take a micro shot up to 3 centimeters of a distance. Also, we will see it is coming with a 2 megapixel of quarter lens and a 2 megapixel of mono lens. And these cameras also supported an LED flashlight present on the back side. Oppo also focuses on performance, and under the hood, the Snapdragon 865 SoC is paired with an 8GB and 12GB of RAM with a higher capacity of being an LDDR5 variant and 128 and 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. Software wise, it is coming with an Android 10 with ColorOS 7.1 on top of that. The 4000 mAh of a battery supports a 65 watt of SuperVOOC 2.0 fast wide charging, which is plenty fast, but what's more impressive in the 40 watt AirVook wireless charge, which Oppo claims can complete a full charge cycle in only 56 minutes. The actual charging pad has its own spinning fan to keep the thermal in check and will be sold separate at a price tag of $35. Another feature which is coming inside the Oppo Ace 2 is support of 10 watt of reverse wireless charging. The Oppo Ace 2 will come in purple, grey and silver color with a starting price of $565 for the base variant 8GB 128GB. There is also an 8GB 256GB variant for a price tag of $625 and the top of the line 12GB 256GB for the price tag of $650. Pre-orders are already underway while the official sale starts on April 20. International availability details are not yet been confirmed. So overall, that device is going to be an impressive device. It is coming with a 90Hz of a refresh rate, a fast wireless charging support and a fast wide charging support. One thing which I feel Oppo could have improved is the camera sensor which are present inside, because 48 megapixel camera sensor is available in even the mid-range category devices. So if Oppo has provided a better camera sensor, even a 64 megapixel sensor would be enough for that device. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts, what you think about that particular device in the comments, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.